The Black Andrew Nature Reserve is a protected nature reserve located on the southwest slopes of New South Wales, Australia. The 1559-hectare, 3,850-acre reserve is situated on the southern shore of Burrinjuck Dam on the Murrumbidgee River, an important reservoir for the Murrumbidgee Irrigation Area. History. The reserve was created in 2001 and is managed by the New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service under the provisions of the Southern Regional Forest Agreement, SRFA. Prior to creation of the reserve, it was Crown land and was managed by the then New South Wales Department of Land and Water Conservation. Ecology. Flora. 7 distinct forest ecosystems have been identified in the reserve. Blue gum, peppermint drygrass, shrub forest. This ecosystem exists on soils underlain by granite rock. Common plant species include blue gum, Eucalyptus bicostata, broad-leaved peppermint, Eucalyptus dives, red stringy bark, Eucalyptus macrorhyncha, narrow-leaved peppermint, Eucalyptus robertsoni ssp. Robertsoni. Silver wattle. Acacia dealbata. Shiny cassenia. Cassenia longifolia. Austral bracken fern. Pteridium esculentum. Guinea flower. Herbertia obtusifolia. Prickly broom heath. Monotoca scoparia. And snowgrass. Poa sp. Moist ribbon gum grassy forest. This ecosystem exists on soils underlain by basalt rock. Common plant species include ribbon gum, Eucalyptus viminalis, narrow-leaved peppermint, Eucalyptus robertsoni ssp. Robertsoni. Silver wattle. Acacia dealbata. Austral bracken fern. Pteridium esculentum. Bidgie widge. Acina novis LND. Native geranium. Geranium solanderi var. Solanderi. Kidneyweed. Dichondra repens. Snowgrass. Poa myonyctes. And weeping grass. Microlaraena stipoides. McPherson swamp grassy forest. This ecosystem exists on deep colluvium along stream banks. Common plant species include applebox, Eucalyptus bridgeshana, narrow-leaved peppermint, Eucalyptus robertsoni ssp. Robertsoni. Black sally. Eucalyptus stellulata. Woolly tea tree. Leptospermum lanigerum. Black wattle. Acacia melanoxylon. Dagger wattle. Acacia siculiformis. Sweet bursaria. Bursaria spinosa. Australian anchor plant. Discaria pubescens. Handsome flat pea. Platylobium formosum. Bidgie widge. Acina novis LND. Weeping grass. Microlaraena stipoides. And wattle mat rush. Lomandrophiliformis ssp. Coriacea. Riparian gully forest. This ecosystem exists on deep colluvium or soils underlain by granite rock. Common plant species include black wattle, Acacia melanoxylon, blue gum, Eucalyptus bicostata, applebox, Eucalyptus bridgeshana, Austral mulberry, Hedecaria angustifolia, Austral bracken fern, Pteridium esculentum, silver wattle, Acacia dealbata, Hazel pomaderus, Pomaderus aspera, shiny cassenia, Cassenia longifolia, weeping grass, Microlaraena stipoides var. Stipoides, snowgrass, Poa myonyctes, Senecio species and common wheatgrass, Elymus scaba var. Scaba, applebox, Norton's box moist grassy forest. This ecosystem exists on east-facing slopes on soils underlain by granite rock. Common plant species include applebox, Eucalyptus bridgeshana, Norton's box, Eucalyptus nortoni, silver wattle, Acacia dealbata, Austral indigo, Indigofera adismifolia, stinking pennywort, Hydrocotyle laxiflora, native geranium, Geranium solanderi var. Solanderi, weeping grass, Microlaranus stipoides var. Stipoides. Snowgrass. Poa myonyctes. Common wheatgrass. Elymus scaber var. Scaber. And annual bluebell. Wallenbergia stricta ssp. Stricta. Escarpment long-leaved box, black cypress heath, shrub forest. This ecosystem exists on exposed rock faces in the northeast part of the reserve. Common plant species include long-leaved box, Eucalyptus goniocalix, common fringe myrtle, Calitrix tetragona, guinea flower, Herbertia calicina, varnish wattle, Acacia verniciflua, shiny cassenia, Cassenia longifolia, grass tree, Xantheria glauca ssp, angustifolia, Dean's wattle, Acacia deanae ssp, Deanae, woolly Grevillea, Grevillea lanigera ex polybractea, bitter pea, Divisia pubigera, lily, Dianella revoluta var. Revoluta, stiff G-bung, Petunia regia, and leopard orchid, Diurus maculata, Norton's box, Poa grass forest. This ecosystem exists on the western slopes of the reserve. Common plant species include Norton's box, Eucalyptus nortoni, red stringy bark, Eucalyptus macrorhyncha, slender tea tree, Leptospermum brevipes, shiny cassenia, Cassenia longifolia, guinea flower, Herbertia obtusifolia, clustered everlasting, Chrysocephalum semipaposum, and snowgrass. Poaceburana. Fauna: 3 amphibian species, 16 reptile species, 29 mammal species and 83 bird species have been observed in the reserve. Of the mammal species, 11 are bats and 5 are non-native. Vulnerable species: the Australian anchor plant, Discaria pubescens, yellow-bellied glider, Petaurus australis, common bent-wing bat, Miniopterus schreibersi, powerful owl, Ninox strenua, barking owl, Ninox connivens, brown tree creeper, Climacteris picumnus, and boerulong frog, Latoria boerulongensis, are all identified as vulnerable species in the Threatened Species Conservation Act 1995. See also: Protected areas of New South Wales.